begin? Friends, distinguished guests, and all present here, we are very happy to have you here today to welcome three very eminent personalities who came to the city of Chandigarh when it was a time when we could not interact. Regardless of the same, we have bonded together over a period of 2 years. And I felt it was my duty to connect to three nations to whom we are very strongly bonded. I for myself, who studied in England, have visited Canada, have visited France. So we have the pleasure of welcoming in order of seniority. First, Caroline Rowett, who has succeeded Andrew Iyer and David Lilliot, two very distinguished British foreign officers. Caroline came in a very quiet way. She has been very quietly doing all her activities, but she is a very notable presence in the distinguished community at Chandigarh. The Canadians and the British partner the events, so that leads us to Patrick. Patrick has a Herculean task to perform because his predecessors were so active that probably Patrick has to work 3 times the amount of time. So Patrick is already carrying his second in command, Mr. Doodle, whom I will invite to come here, because he thinks that he alone is not enough. His colleague is running the show. I had the occasion to share Mr. Doodle at the Remembrance Day with Lord Rana and, of course, Caroline, when we went into remembering the soldiers of the Veteran War. And of course, we are very distinguished to have, sir, Lord Rana. Lord Rana is not only a member of the family. Lord Rana is a member of the British Parliament. He's a member of the House of Lords. He is the honorary counsel of the Government of India in Ireland. He brokered the peace between England and Ireland. He spends a lot of his fortune and a lot of his time at Sanghol, where he has a 30-acre campus, which is a haven in the middle of nowhere. And last of all, not the least, Ufail, who came at a time when things were very bad. But we had a very quiet evening when we had diplomats from the French embassy, and Ufail, of course, could not resist. So we had a good time. So this happy occasion, and then the oldest and the most formidable presence, the German man, Stefan. Now, if anybody knows Mr. Sabu and Gross Beckett, it was history. Now, Stefan is Gross Beckett. So, Stefan is more of a Chandigarh man and less of Germany. So he said, I will not be able to make it. Then he sent me a message, oh, I am coming back on Friday, I can't miss your event. How do I reach you? Then his secretary calls me and says, what is your address? What is the time? So I said, don't worry. He's already committed. So all this happy occasion brings us together. We have 2 state government heads of the legal arms, the chief ministers, my friend Mr. Sidhu, my friend Mr. Mahajan. We are very honored by the presence of Justice K.S. Garewal, Justice Anupinder Garewal, Justice Arun Monga, Dr. Balram Gupta, the head of the Judicial Academy, a lot of senior civil servants, doctors, close friends. Justice Garewal has been noticed in priority to Justice Anupinder as Senior Justice Garewal. And our friend, the young lawyer and journalist. So, with these few words, Deputy Commissioner Mohali, Mr. Amit, and Ranjit Bishnanda. You know, the names are endless. I can carry on.
And Master of the Press, Mr. Rasher,
Mr. Ramesh Inder Singh, Padam Shri, my partner in forming the laws in Punjab. Mr. R.I. Singh introduced me to the Chief Minister, Mr. Badal, and we made the Punjab Prevention of Human Smuggling Act, Punjab Registration of Marriages Act. We brought an Italian delegation. Mr. R.I. Singh brokered a meeting he barged into a meeting the Chief Minister was holding and ensured that the Italians got a venue, and we held a function at the CII, and my brother Ranjit was ultimately appointed as the Council General of the Government of Italy. So there is Vikramjit Singh, the Wild Buzz, there is Dr. Sehgal, there is General Gill, there is Mr. Chopra. The list is endless. We are so happy to have you. And of course, Marraj hiding behind the ladies, the fourth estate. And our friend Mr. Amit, General Manager and Master of Ceremonies in Shivalagi Hotel. So with these few words, of course, Mr. Prashar, the veteran journalist.
Justice Walia, B.S.
Oh, Justice B.S. Walia, who has just arrived and who has promised that he will come. He will not eat anything or drink anything, but regardless, I'm very happy that Bawa has come. So nice of you, Bawa. So now I am in order of seniority going to ask Caroline to say a few words, and then Patrick to say a few words, and then Craig to say a few words, and then Stefan, and then Lord Rana. So over to Caroline.
Okay.
Yes.
So I was a bit small. I couldn't see many people.
Yes,
so I
yes,
thought,
yes. Wonderful. I'll hold your hand to make sure you don't fall. Okay.
So gosh, now I can see everyone. That makes me feel a bit better. I was feeling a bit small and hidden away there. So first of all, I want to say thank you very much to the Malhotra brothers and to their wives and to their families. They have made me feel very welcome here. I've been very pleased with the generosity that they've shown me, and I'm glad they're showing it to my diplomatic foreign colleagues as well. It's really meant a great deal, particularly as I arrived and the others. We've all experienced lockdown over the past 12 months, if not longer for some of you. And I think anyone who reaches out in that time, it's well received and it's much appreciated. And so I thank the Malhotras very much. And particularly the wives, actually, because they introduced me to Farida Gupta, where I now spend far too much money. Sorry guys, that's for the girls, but they'll know what I mean. So thank you very much for that. And then I'd like to say thank you very much to all the distinguished guests here this evening. Some of you I already know, and I've spent time with some of you looking at photographs at Chandigarh Press Club, for example. Some of you I've been picking your brains about the political situation here, and I've been very grateful for the insights that you've all given to me. It's been much appreciated because I know nothing, and so it's great to listen to you all, and there's such a fount of knowledge here, and I'm very grateful that you share your knowledge with me. I try to remember it all. I'm like a sponge, I absorb it all. I try to anyway, and I hope I can repeat it and make sense in future conversations. And to my colleagues, we're one big team here. I know we were talking about the Canadians and the French and the Spanish, etc. But not the Spanish, sorry, the Germans.
Not far.
It's close.
It's Europe. It's Europe.
But you know, we are a team. We do all work together.
Let's not talk about Brexit.
I wasn't. But with Patrick's predecessor, Mia, I mean, she and I did a girls' road trip in Punjab, which will go down in history for us, and I'm looking forward to continuing the cooperation with Patrick.
It won't be a girls' trip.
Yeah, well,
It'll be girls and boys.
Girls and boys trip, yeah. And with Offaly, I think she'd